Don't put that on YouTube. Oh my gosh.
It's a bunch of candles.
You tell her. What? Let's do this plank here. Hey.
Where are we?
We are at another install. It's gonna be nice. It's pretty. It's really pretty.
Day one.
Excited. Day one, yes. We have amazing views.
Look at him. Campbell's been bringing in all the stuff from Platty Daddy.
Right, it's the Platty wagon. It's more clever.
The Platty wagon. Comment down below if you like Hannah's name, Platty Daddy, or Campbell's name, Platty wagon. Woo!
He's so handsome.
Making sure everything fits.
Bailey?
Barely. So yeah, I might say bench here, console here.
Executive decision.
Yeah, and I might be wrong anyways.
They're trying to figure out if this goes here or there. Moment of truth.
We have a lot of moments of truth.
Yeah, we do. And moments of lies.
Yeah, this might be a moment of lies. So. This bench does not go here. It goes in the master.
Okay.
And then she wants this one to go here.
Okay.
Moment of lies. I told you.
Bench is going the master? Se necesita una poca de gracia. Una poca de gracia para ti. Estos van abajo, mi rey.
We're done with all the boxes?
Yeah, look. It's almost empty.
Last box off the truck for day one.
And 3.
I think that way, just like 3 inches that way. This is what we're trying to make it look like.
Our final task is to get all these unboxed. And look who's here.
Freaking finally.
Freaking finally.
I went to the warehouse, to the office, back to the warehouse, up to the bridge house to do some final things, back to the warehouse, and now I'm here.
Accessories all unboxed. That's all our trash. This is all our accessories.
We're done. Let's go home.
Sick.
It's done. Why are you looking at this video? It's done. Done. Do something. I don't know. Go clean your house or...
Hi.
What's up? I like your
much.
jacket.
Thank you. You know, I've had a thing for camo lately. Since finding out I'm in autumn, it really works for me, so.
Y'all need to do that for me so I know what clothes to
We
buy.
do need to do it for you. We don't have any beds today, which is kind of a bummer. So I'm trying to get all the accessories done today so that tomorrow we can just make beds. But like half of my stuff is still missing, so.
Bad boy sticking out. That's no good. Can't have that, right? Ooh! Flush and
Look at it sunk in there. Tell me about this design. Is it genius?
You know, it looks stupid, but it's actually working.
It's not the worst thing you built?
It's really not. This makes those loungers look like freaking, like whoever designed this compared to those is Albert Einstein.
Cut to that footage really quick
I
and
just
cut
stole-
to Campbell's finger.
An executive decision. We're not using these stupid bolts. We're putting in wood screws.
Apparently, these don't line up with holes by like 3 millimeters.
These are just completely off. I've never seen that before.
He cut the top of his nail. Oh, it's so gross.
It hurts. I was hammering a bolt in and I just slapped the top of my finger with a wrench.
How is your thumb from that, by the way?
I was just telling these guys, like,
It's not as bad
it
as
wasn't
I
hurting
thought.
that bad. And then I put some glue on it yesterday because I was like, oh, I should glue the nail together so that it grows back in one piece. And now it hurts like crap.
Looks really fun to unpack.
Broken, gone, broken.
I mean, just look at this. Broken, gone, broken.
I don't know how to get this out. I don't know even if I'm gonna use this, but I just...
Welcome to another segment of We Follow Hannah Around as she places accessories.
Leave me alone. I need a ladder. So I don't have them right now, but I have all these butterfly prints coming for these that I'm gonna do in here, but do we need a felt pad this? Ow. Okay. I'm thinking through the accessories for the master bedroom.
This cover is one of my favorites.
Isn't this so
I
cute?
love that one.
I love it because it's just colors. I go night night. I take a nap.
I hate this steamer.
It's so big.
It's so big and stupid.
Let's do that,
Guess
guys.
who's back?
Yeah, I'm back.
He was dying
I
yesterday.
was dying. Got migraine. Got blind. Dizzy.
It was
yeah.
that bad?
Yeah, really bad.
Hi! We're doing beds today. I think we have everything for today, so we can start doing beds today, which is very exciting to me.
This was here.
This is my bunk.
Bunk bed.
Morgan,
Morgan.
guest, bedroom.
Okie dokie. I'll be back.
Having fun.
You love doing beds.
That's the best part. Just watching the whole thing done. Fluffy bed, nice pillows. And you also start feeling like we're almost done.
Because beds always come last for some reason.
Yeah.
Let's see the lamps we got in here.
They're pretty.
Ooh, they're gorgeous.
It needed them very badly.
It did.
You're interrupting a moment, Andrea.
Oh
Admiring
my
our
goodness,
lamps.
we're gonna have to reshoot.
work is actually like film.
His work is to like actually document it, not just like be our friend.
Just abuse
We pay him just to like hang out with us while we install. This is the cutest little jewelry box, isn't it?
I know, it's cool. I
I
unpacked
kind of
it.
need one because my husband has a bigger jewelry box than I do because he's a watch fanatic.
Okay.
So he has like a big watch box, and mine is like this, and then everything else is like kept in plastic bags underneath my bed.
Hi, YouTube.
Ooh, big delivery from Mesa. It's a bunch of candles. I don't need those. I don't need that notification.
What are you figuring out?
There's no bed slats, so I'm gonna have to make some.
One.
Number dos.
Drill. I don't have enough glue to keep doing this.
Boards are built. Now we're bringing them to the bed.
Oh yeah, they're kind of perfect.
That really is perfect.
I kind of aced that. Got 4.
That'll be a transition. Oh, watch your head.
The karma.
Good
How's it going,
afternoon.
people? Hug me, hug me. Oh yeah.
What are you doing up there?
Just chilling.
Just playing.
Look at all these.
No, this is trash.
Jen's here, so she'll tell us everything we did wrong.
But I love them most.
Jen is in the house.
Straight to business. The Shrek probably's got to move this way back foot. They'll stay kind of where they're at. Yeah, they don't need to be like all the way on. This looks cool. This looks way comfy.
Clutch.
Give me the garbage knife.
Alright, let's go.
Perfect.
It's ready.
Wait,
Good call.
wait. Like body slam.
Love.
Fantastic. Okay.
Come
We got a
here.
little purse measuring.
I know. I keep
Okay.
losing the big boys.
40.
So 42 is now right here. You like that?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, that should be good.
Sounds good.
This is the tiniest.
It's a little.
Sure. Yeah.
Alright, a little more.
Yeah, a little bit more.
This way.
Yeah.
Remember, kids, everything's a hammer. Every tool's a hammer. Proverbs. What?
Is this super cute?
Oh, to die for.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching. Please. Yes.
Is that the end of the video?
Yeah, it could be.
This will be the end of the video.